I'm see Beenie man a perform a USB arena to blood clot a while ago. Up here whole song.
Yo, me have a problem with them selector nowadays and them sound system over there. Oh, uno na boss na artist from the community again. Where the sound come from or a selector come from.
Love it when you work it, work it.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Lioners, big up on yourself. Welcome to Lionfoot TV. You're not a man of pace. I'm a set to the violence of the streets. Anyone that I check in right now, big up on yourself and guidance and protection. So me I say, love and prosperity. You see me? Thank you all for your continuous support. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. Yeah man, hit the like button man, it not take on nothing. Zane, hit the like button. The more you do that, the more YouTube put it up in the feed so people can get the message and discover the channel. See? Yes man, in this episode we're showing a little short clippings of Beenie man performance at the UBS Arena. People are said flap and boy, I tell you, I see crowd out there still, you see me? Yeah man, we see crowd out there. So we don't see what the criticism and the hate for. You see, we also have Nyco Fire, popular selector. I share his opinion on matters that he always does and issues. And this time he might call out some of the sound system and the selector them. Now I must highlight an artist from him era. See, I'm going to share one of my moments to do now. See me I say, and also we don't know where I shine some spotlight again upon Neko, KD, the artist I say work it. So me I say, yeah man, we're going to have him on the platform this weekend, think Friday. Interview so they can check in. Then, more information about that. Yeah man, but before we kick off the vlog, we're going to back a quick snippet of the artist, Neko KD. It's that we will highlight today on this vlog scene, Neko KD. We are shining some light on him. Give him the support. Him song name, work it. We're going to a quick snippet.
Love it when you work it, work it. Heart your back and then you twerk it. Love it when you work it, work it. Lock me down a circuit.
Yes, my people, I can't show the whole video because some part is explicit, you know. The girl man go on, you see me?
Anytime you work it, work it. Your festival up on a church keep. Anytime you work it, work it. Anything you want, any purchase.
Yes, man, yeah, Neko KD say I'm loving the girl them work it. Anything them want, him will purchase. Rightly so.
The gallery exotic. Don't you do a body penny top like it a lassie. Must be pretty easy to hold a girl full of tactics. One side like this paper so she got it party.
Nah, like the girl them go hard in the song. You see me I say them, you see them go on, me have a black out certain part. But Neko KD, the artist name Neko KD. Check out the song, work it.
Just a boom, so me be my italics. Big brand cocky for your tight. Pass it at the A, one the pussy, girl a pussy then a average. Don't run, when you see a camera.
Yes, man, I'm going to leave the link for the video in the comment section. And do remember, go and give the artist the support and look out for the interview, the reasoning, after myself, the reasoning with Lionfoot, see, on the platform, Neko KD, big up. So, with no further ado, watch the clippings from Beenie Man show. I'll look a small snippet. Come on, my people, don't be biased. Based at what I'm seeing right here, it's a show sell off, sold out, pack. Look on the lights, them, you know. You see me? Yes, man, people, them turn up, man. You know, Beenie man, it seems like he went bands back him. Sound like a bands, you know. That's not PA track. You get me? You know, Beenie man love him bands. You get me, I say? And them do things different, you know. But at the end of the day, we have to show love and respect and stop segregate up the dance hall, you see me? Stop segregate the dance hall like that brother, that brother. You can tell us a personal vendor time have against Beenie man something personal when him come out and say something like this.
The bumbo clot. People enjoy themselves better dead yard to pussy hole more than bumbo clot Beenie Man USB Arena show right now. It boring you fuck.
Again, that's his opinion, but my opinion, I wouldn't agree with him because that's not what I've seen. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Saying, watch the lights, them man. Yeah, man, good turnout for everybody, man. You see me, I say, big up everybody who perform at UBS Arena this thus far. A good look for dancehall at the end of the day. But anyway, popular selector Neko Fire, I call out some sound system and some other his fellow co-workers them. Here we go on.
Yo, me have a problem with them selector nowadays and them sound system owner ya. How uno now boss na artist from the community again? Where the sound come from or a selector come from? Me come from Spanish Town and me always a play a Spanish Town artist. Me always have a Spanish Town upcoming artist a play. Warm to the selector them where can know sound can play other artists different from Vibes Cartel, Alkaline, Skeng, Movado, Massacre. One to select them we like me, we like Nyco Fire, we can stand up front of a party for ram and introduce a new artist to the crowd. Even hear them song for a minute. One to know. The young artists them are suffer too now because of Uni, you know. Uni now in the community and no artists now in the community. Give you them a straight man. A matter of fact, you see young artists them, wanna link me. Wanna send me some music. More wanna send me music, me more on the straight.
Yo, you see that topic here is a very serious topic, sensitive topic. Yeah, man, Neko Fire, big up yourself for calling out some of them are true, man. Regular people I say that still, but when I say tricky, you know what I mean, some artists are deemed as ungrateful. Producer tell me that, selector, you know what I mean, and enough artists get the break, but selector highlight them and them they return the love, you know? Yeah, you see me, but I know every artist stays so, like myself. I know say if somebody help me through the door, I return the favor and the gratitude and the love. If me rich, them have to rich too. Whosoever help me to get that highlight there and a breakthrough then in the music business. But when Neko Fire say a true man, you know what I mean, you have some selectors just bad mind same way too, you know. You know, enough artists now get the support in them community. That's why I hear them sing certain songs and burn out families and friends and community. Because a king never get crowned in him town, you see me? Yeah. But it works both ways. You see me? I say one and wash the other. But me personally, have a personal experience, you know. Big selector from my place. And every time people ask me, oh, come them man and play music. I say, boy, I don't know, you know. So, I offer money. And him turn it down, say, boy, him book out, him have a whole heap of work already, you know. I'm a promote artist, so him can't take on no more. I remember me and Manuel, me and him born and growing in the same place. And him look at me and tell me that, so me say, that's strange. Because if me didn't have film shows and an artist come to me and say, yo, Ray, here's some money to run some promotion for one of my songs, you know. And I turn it down. No, that seems strange, you know, but anyway, that him said to me, Zine, and God work it one day. You know, me that working at the school, you know, a coach. You see me primary league football and next brother call me and say, yo, oh me hear your song them on radio, I see you on TV and such man now play your song them. Get me and him call him. I say, yo, me I give him a call man and Ray, but and the man ask him in front of him, but him never know some of the side of the person. But the man call him, you know, and I never know planting or nothing. It just happen to have a natural instinct. That is why I say God working miracles, you know, mysterious ways. And the man ask him, so you know, you're not American, you see me? And the man say, yo, I'm not help them man there for bus, you know, because them family and friends are all right. And you know, me have some family in a badness. And the brother said, no, man, you can't use, you know, American and that type of people, them get love from everybody, man, old, young, and everybody show them man a respect. And man said, no, man, I play them, no man bus return me for rich, you know, because them family and friends are all right. And me hate for me 2 years, and all I do is shrug my shoulder, so see? And the man take the phone off a speaker, because the man never expect that to come out of his mouth. You get me? I said, John Star, you see it? But that's how I go still. Every one of them own choice and decision, you know? But, yeah, man, enough artists need the break and enough selector. A topic of Neko Fire touch, a real topic, you know what I mean? So big up yourself, Neko Fire, and to every young artist, just believe, you know? And selector, if you can help some youth for rich, man, and change them life, you know what I mean? Do it, man, you get me? Don't look for no favor. If them want help on the back, you know what I mean? An artist, if you get the help from someone, you know, make sure you don't turn on the back on that person that will help you go through the door. You see me, I say, yes, man, I love the same man of unity and loyalty. You see me? Our royalty. Yeah, man, I am my lion foot, the man of peace. I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth. Big up on yourself.
Love it when you work it, work it. Heart your back and then you twerk it. Love it when you work it, work it. Lock me down like down a circuit.